guys, how you doing? I'm out for a quick little winter overnighter. Whew. A lot of work getting in here. The snow is really deep, and you couldn't get in here without snowshoes. It has got to be 4 feet deep in places. So I parked the truck, walked across an old cut which is regenerating nicely, and I've come into this beautiful little lake here, and I'm gonna set up. Found a sunny spot here. I think this will be sunny most of the day. I'm gonna string my tarp up and make a campsite, and maybe go out in the lake and try my luck. Let's get set up. I put my small snowshoes on to do work in, but it's really tough. The snow is very deep. With the tarp up, I know roughly where my fire is going to go. I'm going to try and have my fire right in here. Told you the snow was deep. Yeah, that's pretty good. There's a rope. I'm not going to tie it. I'm just going to loop it under, and I'm going to bury these sticks, and I'll be able to pull the rope snug. That's called a dead man. Okay, so I'm going to just bury that sticks. I walk on them. Now those aren't going anywhere. I can pull my tarp tight and finish off with a taut line hitch. There we go. That'll hold that snug. So there you have it. Wow, really hot. I haven't got too many more layers to take off. It's +5 right now, at least. Maybe +10, I don't know. I'll check my thermometer in a minute. Yeah, so I'm just going with a nice simple tarp tonight. Overnight lows are supposed to be +1, and it's supposed to rain overnight. So this is all I need to protect me. I don't expect a whole lot of cold wind. I've got a nice place to lay down underneath here, all packed. I'm going to lay my bedding out on there, and I've got a fire pit area here that I can light a fire in. All set, just need some firewood, then we'll go for a walk and explore this lake. Alright, just got back from exploring up the lake. Lake's a very shallow lake. I drilled a couple holes. Not worth fishing in. It's very, very shallow. You see lots of aquatic vegetation as soon as you pull up the auger. I dropped my lure in one spot. It only went down about 10 feet. So not a lake to fish, but now I know. So I'm back. I've changed. I've got my wool pants on, and I've put my wool underwear on again, and I cut up some wood, make a fire, have supper. As the fire burns down, I'm going to enjoy a nice beer. This is a 360 Pale Ale made by Sleeping Giant Brewing Company here in Thunder Bay, Ontario. That's a good one. I'll put it right up there so you can see. Very good. Very good day so far. All I really did was walk into a lake, but the snow is super deep, super challenging. Set up camp, explored the lake a little bit. This lake, on the maps I have, doesn't show any fish species on it, and I thought that was kind of curious. All the other lakes around here have brook trout, so I kind of wanted to just come in and check this one out. Brook trout season's closed anyways. I thought this might be a shallow kind of a pike lake, and it certainly is very shallow. I drilled 2 holes and found the bottom was about 10 or 14 feet in both areas, so there might be a deeper spot somewhere, but I'm not going to spend the whole day looking. It's time to relax, enjoy the fire, cook myself up some supper, and enjoy this beverage. Time for the mushrooms. There's some Brussels sprouts, and these have a butter sauce on them, so that'll work in with everything else. I'm going to shift things around here a little bit. The grill aside for a second. I cut these pieces here so that I could roll them in. There, so that can cook on the side. Let the flame die down a bit and then throw my steak on. There you go. There's my steak. All right, let's tuck into this steak. Still feels a bit soft. Might actually be underdone. Oh, it's pretty good. I like mine a little bit on the rare side. Look at that. Perfect. For me anyway, I like that. All right, cut myself a piece. It's a big piece. Should have brought a plate. The bowl is always a challenge. There we go. All right, is it as good as it looks? Absolutely. Kids don't like Brussels sprouts, so they come with me on a camping trip. They're good. Go well with steak. I'm going to enjoy a Sleeping Giant Hoppet. It's a take on the word. There's a ski race near here called the Loppet, and that's a Finnish term for a ski race. And Hoppet, Loppet, you get it. Very, very hoppy. Where's the number? Oh, it doesn't say. It's a very hoppy beer. Good morning, folks. Had a really great sleep last night. Yeah, it didn't rain. That's good. I'm still a bit worried. The trail, even though I broke trail, hopefully it set a little bit yesterday. A little bit worried that it's soft and I'll sink a lot, but I'm going to make a quick breakfast and get out of here before the day warms up too much. All right. These are great. These are powdered eggs, but they're more of a crystallized egg or a freeze-dried egg. The brand name is Ova Easy, and they taste just like eggs at home. Great for backcountry tripping. So I'm really glad I got into this place. This is really close to my home, and it's really funny when you're a kid. You explore places that are close to you, your backyard, your neighbor's backyard, whatever. And we moved here 15 or more years ago, and since then I've been exploring faraway places, and really haven't explored my own backyard. And this is 20 minutes drive from my house. It's half a kilometer walk in here, although that sounds short. Half a kilometer in 4 feet of snow is a bit of a challenge. But pretty little lake. I found out now it's a really shallow lake. Probably not worth fishing in, but fun to come down here and explore and just, just figure out my own backyard.